So you want the MX-5 Things trunk poppers for your ND Miata? Watch this first.
So someone on my channel asked, "Hey, Mr. Miyada, are you afraid of the trunk popper actually popping your trunk open at 80 miles per hour?" And my reply was, yes, I'm afraid, but it hasn't happened yet. But today we're gonna find out if this thing deploys while the car is in motion. Now I know there's a safety feature that Mazda built into the Mazda Miata RF that won't let you pull back the retractable fastback if you're going over 6 miles per hour. Let's see if the same safety applies to your trunk. Now, it's pretty hard to accidentally bump the trunk release down at the bottom. I mean, even if I had the clumsiest knee and leg on earth, it's still not gonna hit. I've tried. Now the real concern for me is this key fob. I know that the trunk release button is right here along the side, and it has been pressed a couple of times while in my pocket with other items, or if I accidentally sit on it. If that's gonna happen while I'm driving, that's gonna be kind of weird. I just usually keep my key fob here on the dash away from anything that can press it. But things can happen, and we want to test today if the trunk is going to release with the trunk poppers pulling it up at high speeds. But we'll start off slow first. So just as a control, I'm going to go ahead and release the trunk while we're still. Yep, it pops open while we're still. All right, hand on the trigger. Will the trunk pop open at 25 miles per hour? It will not. I am pressing this button and we're going 25 miles per hour. So I'm guessing it's not even going to pop open when we're going 80 miles per hour. Let's try the key fob now. I'm now going about 30 miles per hour. I'm going to hold down the key fob. It does not deploy. So yes, Mazda has a safety feature built in where your trunk will not deploy while you're going 25 miles per hour. But let's bring it down now. Let's see how fast it will let you pop open the trunk. So the safety that's built in for the RF's retractable fastback is 6 miles per hour. I'm gonna go over 6 miles per hour. We're going about 8 miles per hour. I'm gonna try to trigger the trunk. And the trunk is not triggering even at just over 6 miles per hour. The last test is for me to see if the trunk will pop open below 6 miles per hour, if it's the same as the RF's retractable fastback. Okay, let's try 3 miles per hour. And the trunk will still not pop, even when I'm going 3 miles per hour. Let's try the key fob. Nope, there's no accidental trunk poppage even at 3 miles per hour, whether using the key fob or the interior button for the trunk. So rest assured, this thing's not gonna open at 80 miles per hour. You're good to go. All right, so there you have it, guys. This car's trunk will not accidentally pop open even if you're going 3 miles per hour. I think Mazda has a safety feature built in where the trunk won't open if the car's in motion at all. You have to be parked in order to operate that trunk. So yes, all of you who want to go out there and get the MX-5 Things trunk poppers, you're safe and good to go no matter what speed you're going. I'm Mr. Miyada. Thanks for stopping by and watching this quick video. Be sure to subscribe, like, comment below to share your thoughts, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks, guys.